DIOS Controls is pleased to introduce the next level of its all-new zoning system, providing an even higher level of flexibility thanks to the combination with Project Builder, DIOS's complementary project configuration tool. If your HVAC application deviates from a standard VVT zoning system, Project Builder is your choice. Simply choose different devices such as rooftop unit controllers, VAVs, and fan coils from the embedded complementary device library and assign them to previously defined zones and rooms simply via drag and drop. For this example, we are going to create a project with 6 zones. The first 3 will be configured as a standard VVT system using the RTC1010 controller. Zone 4 will be a single-zone rooftop with 1 VAV, and Zone 5 will be a single-zone rooftop unit. For both Zone 4 and 5, we are going to use the UPT24. Zone 6 will contain 3 fan coils for the building's entrance. Open Project Builder and start by creating a new project. Next, assign a building structure by simply adding or deleting floors and rooms. Name the zones and rooms according to your building's layout. Once finished, continue by adding a controller, in this case an Open 810, and set up the appropriate IP settings. In the next step, simply drag and drop the devices from DIOS's complementary template library on the left into the designated room in the middle column, which shows the building structure that got assigned previously. As defined earlier, we will be using the RTC1010 along with the corresponding VAV controller for zones 1 to 3. Zone 4 will contain the UPT24 for the rooftop unit and the VPT24 for the VAV. The single rooftop unit in Zone 5 gets controlled by a UPT24. Zone 6 will contain 3 FCU controllers. Once finished, all you have to do is click onto the Build button, and Project Builder will automatically generate the control sequences and the related device graphics in the background. From here, you always have the option to launch FXL, DIOS's programming and engineering tool, and modify the project as per individual requirements. If no modifications are required, simply proceed by opening the project-specific executable file generated by Project Builder. Connect the Open 810 controller to your PC, enter its current IP address, and load the controller program. Once uploaded, just enter the controller's newly assigned IP address into your browser's address bar. That will launch OpenView, DIOS's complementary and license-free HTML5 graphical user interface. Configure the first 3 rooftop units and the associated VAVs as shown in our other video featuring the basic zoning system using drop-down menus. We now jump to rooftop unit number 4, which is controlled by DIOS's configurable rooftop unit thermostat UPT24. Simply configure its outputs based on the unit's actual layout and assign the minimum and maximum set points for both occupied and unoccupied mode. In the next step, you access the controller's live data, where you can adjust set points such as the fan speed, enable filter, flow and overheat alarms, and configure the thermostat's inputs. After setting up the rooftop unit, continue with the associated VAV by enabling the reheat and airflow and supply air temperature sensors if present. We are going to repeat the same procedure for rooftop unit number 5 of this project. Finally, configure the fan coil unit controllers in Zone 6, starting by choosing the applicable fan speed stages, cooling and heating modes, as well as if the airflow and supply air temperature sensors shall be shown. the next step, access the controller's live data and adjust set points such as the fan speed and enable filter, flow, and overheat alarms, and configure the controller's outputs. The next level of flexibility. Combine DIAS Controls Zoning System with the complementary project configuration tool Project Builder. Simplify and ease your on-site HVAC application service and commissioning, and create and deliver an interactive graphical user interface and an advanced user experience for building owners and facility managers. To learn more about it, visit our website at dias-controls.com. DIAS Controls, simplicity at its best.